Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to change Google Play Games for PC file directory. So, to do that, first you need to make the new directory that you actually want. I'll see from here, here's the new directory. After that, you need to go to the C drive, and then you need to go to users file. Then you need to navigate to your own user. After that, you need to go to app data file. I'll see from here, here it is. And you need to go to local. So from here you need to actually find the Google file. I'll see from here. And now here's the play games files. You need to actually enter this file and delete everything from here. After that you need to copy this directory and you need to open cmd and write mklink, then /d, and then you need to write the first directory of the Google Play. Then from here you need to write the second directory, which is the new one. You need to just copy it and paste it right here. After that, all you need to do is to just hit enter, and now all the files that will actually install right here will be actually installed in the D drive instead. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.